Ever feel like your cat is keeping their distance? Building trust takes time, but losing it is surprisingly easy. Cats are masters of body language, and they notice every little thing we do. Some behaviors might be breaking your bond. Today, we are exploring 6 common mistakes that make your cat lose trust in you and how to fix them. Mistake number 1: forcing interaction. We all love to cuddle our cats, but forcing it can be a major setback. When a cat is hiding or resting, they are looking for safety. Pulling them out of their safe space causes stress to a cat. Being trapped feels like being caught by a predator. It breaks the sense of security they need. Instead, practice the consent rule. Extend your hand calmly and let the cat come to you on their own terms. If they sniff your hand and rub against it, they are giving you permission to interact. This builds mutual respect. Mistake number 2: loud noises and shouting. A cat's hearing is significantly more sensitive than a human's. Sudden loud sounds can startle them and leave them on edge for hours, associating that fear with your presence. Shouting directly at a cat is even worse. They don't understand your words, only the aggressive tone and volume. This creates a hostile environment where the cat no longer feels safe. Always use a calm, gentle voice around them. Mistake number 3: staring intensively. In the feline world, a direct, unblinking stare is a sign of aggression. When you stare at your cats, they may perceive it as a challenge or a threat, making them feel extremely uncomfortable. To show love, use the slow blink. It is the feline equivalent of a kiss and signals that you are not a threat. Watch for them to blink back. This simple exchange is a powerful way to reinforce trust and affection. Mistake number 4: punishment-based training. Cats do not learn from punishment. They only learn to fear the punisher. Using water bottles or loud noises to stop bad behavior creates a gap in your relationship that is hard to bridge. Shift to positive reinforcement. Reward the behaviors you want to see and provide appropriate outlets for their instincts. By rewarding them, you become a source of happiness and security rather than a source of fear. Mistake number 5: overstimulating during pets. Every cat has a limit to how much physical contact they can handle. Belly rubs might look like an invitation, but for many cats, it's a defensive posture that leads to Pay attention to the signs. A twitching tail, rippling skin, or pinned ears mean stop now. Respecting these boundaries shows your cat that you are listening to them, which is the foundation of trust. Mistake number 6: neglecting their environment. A cat's home is their entire world. If it's dirty or stressful, they suffer. Lack of high perches or hiding spots can also make a cat feel exposed and vulnerable in their own home. Ensuring a clean, enriched environment shows your cat that you care about their well-being and basic needs. In conclusion, trust is a fragile thing. Patience and understanding are the keys to a cat's heart. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll find your cat becoming more affectionate and confident every day. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe for more cat care advice. See you in the next video.